Assalamu alaikum. I am Nasir Uddin, Department of Textile Engineering from World University of Bangladesh. First of all, thank you Textile today for arranging an international competitions for all the textile students, textile talent hub. It's a great opportunity for all the textile students for develop our career. Thank you Textile today. Today I am talking about make the world for better placement. But how can we do it? Plastic. We use plastic in our daily life. It's made our life easier. But we know plastic is very harmful for our environment. How polluting plastic is our environment. It's polluting our ocean, our animals, our plants, our society. It's very harmful for our environment and our society. How can we reduce it? So, how can we save our earth from plastic? By recycling plastic, we can save our earth, environment and our society. So, recycling plastic and make the world for better placement. Thank you.